He's not very short.
Well, Stidham looked great. So, say, Russell starts being that bad, wouldn't be surprised if they break through. Oh, Dak's definitely. You guys in order? Ladies go first.